Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I have another parcel here, another envelope to open. This is from Hollywood and this is from Dennis Siple, and he is one of my subscribers and has been for quite some time. Lovely man, and sent me this really nice. Look at the pretty stamps. I was absolutely fascinated by the stamps. I am fascinated by the stamps. Did you send me a little note? No little love letters or anything? Hang on a minute. Can't get into it now. I've shut the letter. I haven't shut it, but I just can't get into it. I'm looking for a little note. Here we go. Here's a tiny little note. Dennis Siple. Snickers wouldn't fit. Thank you. So you put knickers. Righto, fair enough. Congratulations on your milestone. You deserve 100 plus more. Thank you so very much for teaching me. I hope you've learned something, and from my knowledge and wisdom. Peace from Dennis. Thank you so much, Dennis. And this is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't this awesome? Look at that. I do love dragonflies. I do love dragonflies. I've beaded a few. I do love them. Aren't they nice? Isn't that beautiful? Thank you so much, Dennis. That is really, really cool. Really cool. I do love that. That's going to be awesome in what I do. And that one too. Look at that. Oh, wow. You could do either side of that, couldn't you? If you wanted to make a nice little book or something with that and put it on your page. That is awesome. Thank you so much. A beautiful fabric. Beautiful fabric from Dennis. Thank you very much. That is very nice of you. I appreciate you entering in my challenge, and I love your knickers piece of card. Oh, and I'm showing everybody where you live and everything. That's not very good of me, is it? Thank you. Sorry. Anyway, that's okay, isn't it? Okay, so thank you everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Thank you, Dennis. Bye.